When you're camping in the winter or even in the summer, and you've got your freeze-dried food and you've got your water boiled, you pour the bottle water in, you zip it up and you just set it down, right? No, hang on. A couple of pointers here. First, when you put this in there, make sure the bottom is completely open, because if this, I can't tilt it over now, but if the bottom's not completely open, you pour the water in there, this thing will flop out, your dinner will float away, and then you'll be crying. Second tip, make sure that you get in here and you stir this thing up completely. That way you prevent the spice ball problem. Dig on the sides, completely dig it out. Ah, good. And then, make sure to very carefully zip this guy up. Okay. Now the ultimate risk, you're going to put this, with completely dry, no snow, in your sleeping bag, because this thing needs to cook for 10 minutes to reconstitute. So what I'm going to do is very carefully set it in my sleeping bag, and then cover my sleeping bag up and keep this warm, because otherwise sitting out here it's going to get cold and die, and I don't want cold dinner. So I'm going to put it in my sleeping bag, and then in 10 minutes I'm going to start eating. And that is how you do the freeze dry, and it's a great way to go, unless you need to warm your hands. But those are the tricks to doing freeze dry dinners in the bag, because otherwise you might get the two, but in the third, keeping it in your sleeping bag without spilling it is the huge difference between having a hot dinner and a cool dinner. My name's Aaron Linsdale. I'm a polar explorer and professional adventurer. Please watch me put this in my sleeping bag and seal it up. There we go. Now we'll have a hot dinner there. Check out links in the description to my books: Antarctic Tears, Lost at Winnie Corner, Adventure Expedition 1, where you learn to do this, How to Keep Your Feet Warm in the Cold, the Jackson Hole Hiking Guide, the most crucial knots to know, the 50 photography hotspots in Jackson Hole, and my 2024 Total Eclipse Guides. Thank you very much for watching. Please also check out my shows, Antarctic Tears. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you can get more info like this. Thank you very much, and enjoy your camping.